بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Surah Al Kahf, also known as the Cave, is the 18th chapter, Surah, of the Quran, the holy book of Islam. It is a relatively long chapter consisting of 110 verses and is one of the most well-known and frequently recited chapters in the Quran. The name Al Kahf translates to the cave, and the chapter gets its name from the story of the young men who sought refuge in a cave to escape religious persecution, as narrated in the chapter. The Surah Al Kahf is known for its themes of faith, perseverance, and the importance of seeking knowledge and understanding the signs of God in the world. It contains 4 main stories or parables. The people of the cave. This story tells of a group of young believers who sought refuge in a cave and were miraculously preserved by God for many years. It illustrates the concept of God's protection for the faithful. The story of the 2 men with gardens. This story highlights the importance of gratitude and not attributing success solely to one's efforts, recognizing that all blessings come from God. The story of Moses and Keter. This narrative involves a journey of Moses with a righteous servant of God named Keter. It emphasizes the idea that human understanding is limited, and God's wisdom surpasses human comprehension. The story of Dhul Qarnayn. This story describes a righteous ruler who traveled the world, spreading justice and goodness, illustrating the importance of righteous leadership.